Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the best deals for Walgreens starting next week. That will be April 3rd through April 9th. And there's not a ton going on in my personal opinion. We have either oral care deals or the deals aren't the greatest, but there are a few in there and a few monthly deals in there too. Now, there also will be some scenarios at the end of the video. There is a Google Doc linked down in the description box to help you out when you're planning your trips for next week. But first we're going to talk about the coupons that we are getting this Sunday really quick, and then we'll talk about the deals. So this Sunday we will be getting two inserts. We'll be getting a Smart Source and a Save insert. Really good coupons inside of there. I typically get a 4-pack, sometimes a 6-pack, just depending on what we're getting. So we're going to have Revlon, Bic, Werther's. There's going to be a lot of really great coupons inside of these inserts. But don't forget, on the 17th, there will be no coupon inserts because it will be Easter Sunday. Now, you can use my link down below in the description box to order inserts. There are previews available so you can see what all the coupons are that you are getting ahead of time. That's why I personally like ordering my inserts online. And then there is fast 2-day shipping if you are interested in that. So the first deal I want to talk about is the Gain, Charmin, and Bounty. These are on a promotion where you buy 4, you get back a $5 register reward. So this type of deal is a little bit different this time around. The register reward is for $5 and not $6. And instead of Tide, the Gain is included this time around. So if you are really into Gain, this is a good deal for you. But it is a little bit disappointing that it is a $5 register reward instead of a $6 register reward. Hopefully it's not a new trend. So I would pick up 2 of the Gain liquid detergents for $5.49 a piece, and then 2 of the Charmin. Every time I have picked up Bounty in this type of scenario, my register reward hasn't printed. But when I stick to Tide and Charmin, I get my register reward. So I'm just going to not include that in my scenario. So then you're going to use a $1 off insert coupon from the 313 Save insert. In the Google Doc, I will have linked for you the coupon for the Gain printable that will take you over to the pggoodeveryday.com website. Do not print that coupon until you are ready to go shopping. Then we're going to use 2 25-cents off of 1 Charmin insert coupon from the April P&G. That will bring your total down to $19.46. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $14.46 for the 4 items. But I would not do this scenario unless I had some type of booster, or maybe forego the 25-cent off coupons and use some register rewards to help lower your out-of-pocket. Now, if you have a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash Booster, then I would definitely do this scenario in that situation. That would bring your final total down to $9.96 for 4 of them, or about $2.36 a piece. I personally don't have a problem with paying $2.36 a piece for Tide, but I am not really into Gain. So if you're a Gain gal, then this is an opportunity to get some deals on some Gain detergent this week. And the next deal we have is on some Bulldog personal care. So the Bulldog is going to be buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. And I picked the Bulldog body wash. But of course, there are several different things that you can pick. And I don't know if everything is included. Like, for example, the lip balm. If the lip balm is included, that's a really good deal. But I'm going to go with this because it does show in the ad we are getting a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. And that is huge, especially if you are building up a transaction like I encourage you to do. So we're going to grab 2 of the Bulldog body wash at $7.49 a piece. We're going to use that 7 off 2 digital coupon. We will pay $7.98, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making the final total $3.98 for both of them, or about $1.99 a piece. And I just noticed here that I put $3.98 for 2 for 2. So it's just $3.98 for 2, or $1.99 a piece. Since this is a buy deal with Walgreens Cash, if you are doing this deal by itself, you can totally use Walgreens Cash to help pay for this and lower your out-of-pocket even more. But I'm definitely going to be using this next week in some transactions with using Walgreens Cash to Pay with spend boosters. So I think this is a really great deal. So next we have a monthly deal, and I am just going with the Crest for simplicity's sake. So there is a monthly deal going on with certain Crest items that are spend 10, get back a $5 register reward. And I'm going to pick up 2 of the Crest Densify at $6.99 a piece. There are $3 insert coupons from the April P&G that you can use on those. That will bring your total down to $7.98. Get back a $5 register reward. You can submit your receipt to Ibotta. There are 50 cents off of 1 rebates on Ibotta for these, making your total $1.98 for 2 of them, or 99 cents a piece. And I think that's a good deal for some fancier toothpaste. This is a register reward deal, so you can absolutely use Walgreens Cash on this to pay and still get your register reward. I was going to do this deal this week in a second Walgreens haul, but my schedule got all flipped around this week and I was a little discombobulated and I didn't end up going back. But you can still do this deal this current week now before the 3rd of April, but this is a deal that you can do all month long. You just have to do it a little bit different after the 9th because that is when those $3 Crest coupons will expire. Now the next deal is also a monthly deal. If you've seen my Walgreens video this week, you will see that I did get some Compeed, and I did point out that that was a monthly deal, which it is. So the Compeed is still buy 2, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. And the reason why I say still is because last month it was a monthly deal as well. So anyways, I am going to pick up the Compeed Corn Care, which is the yellow package there. And then I'm going to pick up the Sports Care, which is the red and green package there. There is a $3 off a digital coupon that you can use. I got a new one this week on my accounts. Now, if you have the Peelies, you can use those as well, but we're just going to use the digital because not everybody has the Peelies. So then that will bring your total down to $10.98. You'll get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. Then you'll submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you will get 2 separate rebates on Ibotta, and they are $1 a piece. So that will make your final total $3.98 for 2 of them, or $1.99 a piece. And if you have that $3 Peely, then your total would be 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents a piece. Either way, a really good deal. So next I have some quick deals for you, which are just basically filler items to help build up a transaction. So a couple of weeks ago, I did this same deal. The coupon that is available to do this is going to be around for quite some time, and it started to work for me. And so I had tried it several weeks ago and it didn't work. I tried it 2 weeks ago and it worked, so I definitely want to let you know that it works, number 1. Number 2, it's for the Neutrogena facial bars. So these are buy one, get one 50% off, and they are $3.49 a piece. So one would be $3.49 and one would be $1.74. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. That will bring your final total down to 23 cents for both of them. Great filler because of that large high value digital coupon. Now you can do this in store or online, it doesn't matter, but I would definitely do it in store. And then we have another Compeed deal. Now we did get a $3 off Compeed IVC coupon, but it is only for this one here. It does not work on the other 2 in the previous deal. If there are others that it attaches to, I'm not sure, but I do know that it attaches to this 12 count, and these are for $9.99. Now this is a full price item, so if you had, say, a 20% off coupon in your transaction that you wanted to use, you could use it on this. So we have that $3 off digital coupon and then that $3 off IVC coupon. That'll bring your total down to $3.99, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $4.50 on Ibotta, and that would make these a free and a 51-cent moneymaker. Now just note that there is only a limit of 1 on the Compeed on Ibotta. So if you grab 2 and say you use a Peely or something like that, you won't get $4.50 back twice. So this is an excellent filler. Just note that also if you use this with a spend booster, you have to be $3 above your spend booster. because of that IVC coupon. So let's do some scenarios now. So with a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, this is a scenario that you could do. I actually got a spend 22, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, but this would work for that as well. So you're going to grab 2 of the Bulldog Body Wash at $7.49 and 2 of the Crest Densify at $6.99. Then you're going to use that 7 off 2 digital coupon for the Bulldog and 2 insert coupons from the April P&G. You would pay $15.96. Now with this type of transaction, you would have to pay that out of pocket. But then you'll get back $9 in Walgreens cash, $5 for your booster, and $4 for the Bulldog, and a $5 register reward for your Crest. Submit your receipt to iBought and get back 50 cents for each one of those Crest toothpaste. That would make your final total for everything just 96 cents. And I think that is a decent deal. And actually, it's a really good deal. It's not going to be a moneymaker. But if you are a newer couponer at Walgreens, this will help you get your feet wet with doing a scenario and using a spend booster. So next I'm going to show you a scenario where we are building up our transactions slightly, and we will be using our coupons to help pay for our spend portion so that we can use Walgreens cash and we don't have to pay as much out of pocket. So we're going to do the Neutrogena bars. The BS means bar soap. So you're going to grab 2 of those, and those will be $3.49 and $1.74. Then we're going to grab 2 of the Crest Densifies for $6.99. Then we're going to grab 1 of the Compeed Corn Care and then 1 of the Compeed Sports Care for $6.99 a piece. That's going to bring your total up to $33.19. You're going to use that 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Neutrogena. You're going to use your 2 insert coupons from the April P&G for the Crest. Then you're going to use a $3 digital coupon for the Compeed and a $3 Peely coupon for the other Compeed. That's going to bring your total down to $16.19. You're going to want to pay with $10 in Walgreens cash, and then you would only use $6.19 of your own money. Then you'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash, $5 for the Compeed, and $5 for your spend booster. You will also get back a $5 register reward for your Crest. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you will get back 50 cents for each one of the Crests and $1 for each one of the Compeeds. Now, you don't have to get 2 different kinds. I'm just doing that so I can knock out more Ibotta rebates. That's going to bring your total down to free and a $1.81 moneymaker, which of course I think is the better deal and the better option because you are paying less money out of pocket and you are getting it all for free plus a $1.81 moneymaker. Now, if you don't necessarily want to get these items, this is just to give you the foundation on how you can make your own scenario like this to where you can pay with Walgreens cash on a spend booster. Now, how can I do that? Well, I have $17 in coupons, so I only need to pay $3 out of pocket of my own money. That way it can register in Walgreens system that you spent $20 between your coupons and your cash. So that is why we build up the transaction, because those coupons need to add up to a certain dollar amount. The less you buy, the less of the value of coupons you have in a transaction. So that is all I have today, guys. I hope to bring you more deals for my Walgreens video next week, but this is what I could come up with for right now. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. Bye, guys.